Okay, today we are fixing a leak on a Colter power flush. So right here, you see there was water. It was coming out of the gasket that's under there. We're gonna replace that and hopefully that fixes it. So first thing you're gonna need to do is turn off the water. So we're gonna turn off the water. So we have to flush the toilet to get all this water out. We won't get it all, but we'll get a lot of it. Okay, now that's done. Now you're going to need to get a towel or something to get all the water out of the tank. Now after you have the toilet bowl empty, you're gonna go onto the ground, or however your toilet is, and unscrew these bolts. That is the bolt that we're taking off. So now you have all your bolts off. You're going to have to take off the water line right here. Okay, that's what you're taking off. Connects to that. You're going to take off this next after you took off the bolts. So you're going to want, after you took off the water line, you're going to take the toilet tank and lay it down so on a towel or something soft so it doesn't break. That's our problem right there. Looks like it's bent outwards and it's not good. That little thing right there. So you see that little thing right there? See, it's kind of bent outwards? That's your problem. If it's leaking, look for that. May not be in that exact same spot, but it should be right around there. Okay, we had to go to a different place to get a channel lock to unscrew this giant nut. Now we get that out. And there's a huge tornado. Or whirlpool, I don't know what it was. It was a giant dust devil. Okay, so you're gonna poke these holes and put those. That was a lot easier than taking it off. Then we're gonna grab this guy and probably this guy's gonna fall out. Alright, get that in there. And then get screw it on as well as you can. It's hard to screw it on. I don't know why. I can't believe it's still screwing. As tight as my hand can get it. So now we finally got to this step, putting it back together. Gonna make sure it doesn't drop. Make sure it goes through all the holes. That's not going to work properly.
Okay.
Because bolts aren't long enough.
I wondered about that.
Let's try the other bolts. Now we're putting the new bolts on. Washer. Don't tighten them too tight. Got it. So hard. Almost done. We're turning the water on. Make sure it doesn't drip. Last step. Putting the lid on. Well, yeah. You gotta clean up. Thanks for watching.